You know, the alumni of the Ohio State Health System Pharmacy Administration Program have really shaped and influenced practice from the very beginning. And it starts with a guy named Clifton Latiolais, who started our program, and he was sort of a pioneer in the field.
There are 2 to 3 characteristics that Cliff Latiolais always talked about when he described the residency program at Ohio State. The first is a philosophical perspective. That is, why are we pharmacists? Why do we work in health systems? And what do we do to improve patient care? The second piece is a commitment to excellence, which Cliff always strived to promote in all of the residency folks at Ohio State.
Cliff really made it an expectation that when you left the program, you would go out and actually carry on the work that he had started at Ohio State. And that's what many of us felt the personal and professional obligation to do when we left the program. It's what makes this group so special.
The main thing is that he was a listener. And then when he spoke, what he spoke was so well thought out and so much of an aspect of assistance for you to take whatever you're working on to solve that problem or take it to another level. I think he wanted you to excel, and that was a part of his excelling as well.
He really cared about all of his staff in helping them develop, and certainly with residents. He was always asking, what are you going to do about this? And even after you finished the program, if you saw him at meetings, he would say, what are you doing about? Today he'd be asking about accountable care organizations, transitions of care. And so he really cared a lot about people. And so I think we learned then to do the same for the people that worked for us.
Cliff's view of the practice today, I think, would be that we've made great progress. A lot of progress since he was in practice himself, but I think he would be constantly those telling us all, we're not there yet. So there's still much to do, and always to improve, and truly never to be satisfied. Just keep moving ahead.